some sort of reasonable contact with that. Just doesn't get anything on it. It's a decent ball in from Warren Drive. Danny Ings does well. Might be a little bit behind him, but he's got to do more. Crucial contribution from Craig Hampton. Foul.